If you think fixing car problems is only for mechanics, think again. Your Chevy Colorado's OBD not responding. Here's what's really going on, and how you can start figuring it out. First, let's keep it simple. OBD stands for onboard diagnostics. It's the computer in your truck that helps diagnose issues. So, why isn't it working? Reason number 1, check your fuse. A blown fuse is the most common reason the OBD port stops working. Grab your owner's manual, find the fuse location, and see if it needs replacing. Next, look at the OBD port itself. Is it loose, dirty, or damaged? Sometimes dust or a bent pin can stop the connection. If that's not it, try your scanner on another vehicle. If it doesn't work there either, your scanner might actually be the problem. Last, some aftermarket accessories, like alarms or stereos, can mess with the OBD system. If you've added something new, consider unplugging it and trying your scan tool again. Still nothing? It could point to a bigger wiring issue, and that's when it's best to reach out to a pro. So, next time your Chevy Colorado's OBD isn't talking, remember these steps. It could be a simple fix.